Hello, today I will show you an overview of the new Golden West Webmail settings, address book, and special folders. First, log into your Golden West Webmail, and in the upper right-hand corner, select Settings. Then, under Preferences, select Address Book. These settings will control how contacts are handled and displayed. Under Default Address Book, you can select the default address book where new contacts are saved to when adding them from the mail view. Under List Contacts As, you can choose how names are displayed in the contact list. Sorting column. Select the contact attribute used for sorting the contacts in the list. Rows per page. The number of contacts displayed at a time, also known as a page, in the contacts list. Skip alternative email addresses in auto-completion. With this option checked, every contact will only appear once in the auto-completion list that appears when you start typing in the recipient field. The first email address of the selected contact will then be inserted. If disabled, all email addresses of a matching contact are displayed or for selection. Automatically collected. Use Automatic Address Book. When sending a message to someone, have the email address be automatically added to your contacts. Use automatically collected addresses for auto-completion. When composing a message, addresses that have been automatically collected will appear when beginning to fill out the From form. Always be sure to save your changes. Special folders. Some folders have special purposes and are used by system processes to store messages. This form allows you to choose which folders are used to store drafts, sent or deleted messages, also known as your trash. Under Show Real Names for Special Folders, with this setting enabled, the original names of the assigned special folders are displayed in the folders list of local names. For more information on this and other webmail features, visit goldenwest.com/webmail.